Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with the new video about how to earn $10 from AA Music. So let's get started. Before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. First, you need to sign up on AA Music, and here you can use the same account on 4 devices per IP. After that, you can use multiple Gmail accounts of Spotify, and you have to install each and every device on Spotify. And then here you can see right now I am running 3 devices, but the first device is showing only two. So we have to remove or clear the uh, first app, and then we have to open it again so that three of a three pointer or three numbers should show on each and every device so that the points accumulated fast. If the device shows only two, maybe you are missing one of the device points added to the account. So like this, you have to see three option over there, and make sure that you, if you would like to use any other VPNs, you can use it. And here you can click on redeem. So I am redeeming the cash from this app. So here you can see I am redeeming $10. So that's it. So I have redeemed, but make sure you check the terms and conditions. You will get the amount after 60 days, but not right now. So I have already shown my payment proofs earlier, and right now here you can see the Spotify is points are decreased on each and every device. Whenever you click on home, the points will be moved back to the new points. So here you can see all the devices are showing the new points. And let me show you the redeem history, guys. So here you can see, click on redeem. So you can see I have received first $1 Amazon gift card, and the second one $5 PayPal, and $10 PayPal. This is the third one which I'm going to get after 60 days, guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. Also here I am sharing my referral link in the description so that you can sign up and start earning from your devices. And this works for everybody, so everybody can use the same.